Microphone checker. Louis Vuitton umbrella when I walk through the rain. YouTube, check it out, check it out. Check it out, YouTube. We got a pack. Oh, something shook in there. We got this package in yesterday. I ain't opened it up, as y'all can see, but we finna open this up. See what's in here. I don't even know what it is, so maybe a long video, maybe a short video. Who knows? I know y'all gonna be in my comments talking about why you using your good shears. Look, man, I got a bunch of shears, man. Leave me alone. But let's see what's in this package. What's in this package? What's in this package? I don't know who packaged this, but they packaged this. They did a job on this one. All right, check it out, man. Let's see if I can open this now. All right, there we go. All right, we got that part open. We got this part open. Yup, that's what I thought it was. Check it out. We got the pamphlet right here, but let's put this down first. Let's finish opening this box up. Man, we got another thing of wrapping in here. They really want to keep us from opening this box. All right. Now we get into the nitty and gritty. All right, let's check this out. You know, see? Yeah, y'all can see. All right. We got this. I don't know what this is, but I'm opening this in a. You know what? Yeah, I'm opening this in a second. Let's put that to the side. We gonna open what we came here for. Check it out. Check it out. Oh yeah. All right. Here we are. We got the Klipaz, and I said it right. Cause look, it's Klipaz. We got the Klipaz new clipper. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna open this up, unbox it. Basically, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna unbox this clipper, see what comes in the box. And y'all know how I do with my videos. I like to put them to use and then give y'all my initial thoughts. So let's go ahead and unbox this clipper. All right, so let's take this plastic off of there. That way we can see the box a little better. But check it out, man. Here's the box. All white box. We got, as you can see, we do got the clipper on the front. Basically how it's gonna look. We got the website right here, the Instagram, Klipaz Official, Klipaz.com, the MC-1, professional cordless clipper, magnetic motor, Li polymer battery. So check it out. So the kit includes the MC-1 hair clippers, a DLC blade set, we get some guards, USB-C fast charging adapter, charger stand, oil, brush, screwdriver, 8 premium guards, or combs, whatever you want to call them, and the user manual. So yes, y'all saw earlier, here was the user manual, but y'all know your boy don't ever really look at that, so I ain't even worried about that. We worried about what's in here. So let's go ahead and open this box up. All right, so we got the top off. All right. We got some bubble wrap. Check it out, man, check it out. Shout out to Klipaz, one time for the one time. They sent your boy the new clipper from Klipaz. Let's see if I can get this out of here. So we have the clipper right here, as y'all can see. We got the blade guard on there. I'm gonna pop that off real quick. Put this box down real quick. All right. Let's look at this clipper. Check it out. All right, so check it out, man. Here's the Klipaz MC-1 clipper. As you can see, we do have a click lever on the clipper. We have some ergonomic grooves back here. It is a little longer than what I'm used to, or at least it seems to be a little longer than what I'm used to, but it may not be. Just for reference, here's the sideboard. So it's a little longer, but we still gonna try it out. Does seem to look a little bulkier than I would like, but that doesn't mean that it's not gonna work well. So I'm excited to try this thing out. Like I said earlier, we do got the click lever on there. We do have a taper blade. I like fade blades. Well, honestly, it looks like a fusion vapor blade type deal, because it's really thin. But we're gonna check it out, man. Once we actually start cutting with it, we're gonna see how that blade works. At the bottom, we got the USB-C port down here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all. Well, I can't turn it on because it's not turning on. Well, I'm gonna have to charge this up before I can actually turn it on. But yeah, so it didn't turn on straight out the box, but that's cool. We're gonna charge it up before we turn it on anyways. Let me move this out the way. All right, so underneath the clipper, this is what we have underneath there. Let's check this out. We do get the charging stand right here. Nice little charging stand. So you can just place the clipper in there like so. So it's a little bigger than some of the stands I'm used to, but it's not bad. Like, it looks good. I like the way the clipper sits in there. It's leaning back, you know what I'm saying? No Fat Joe, but it leans back while it's in the charging dock, as y'all can see. But check it out, man. It looks good in the charging dock. Let's see what else comes in this box. So then we do also get some guards. Well, let me take this out first. Obviously we get the charging adapter. Put that to the side. And then we get some guards that come stacked up. That comes stacked in here. So as y'all can see, we got all the guards. I'm assuming we got a 6 guard. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got a 0, 1, 1.5. What we got? A 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. So yeah, we got all the guards in here. So I'm gonna take out a few guards just so y'all can check them out. So here is the 1.5 guard. You know, we do have the magnetics. They are double magnetic. Here is the 1 guard, as y'all can see, once again, double magnetic 1 guard. And then we have the 0 guard or half guard, whatever you want to call it. I know some people call it different things, but it's 1/16. You know what I'm saying? That it measures out to the same millimeters, 1.5 millimeters. So it's a 1/16 0 guard, whatever you want to call it. But we have a nice black one, magnetic, you know, the magnets on there. And yeah, man, we do get something else under that box. So we get this little box in the box also. So let's check out what's this. So we get a screwdriver, some oil, and a brush. So y'all know the oil and the brush that they always send everybody. Let's throw that back in there. We got the screwdriver, throw that back in there. But yeah, man, that's basically what comes in this box. All right, man, check it out. Once again, here is the Klipaz MC-1 clipper. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm gonna charge this up. We're gonna put it to use today, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it. All right, man, y'all see what it is. We got the new, we got that new from Klipaz. We're gonna be doing a 3 in the mid fade. Let's go.
I think it was more hood.
So, you know, we are gonna use the guards that came in the box. We're gonna see what these guards talking about. 3, right? All right, I gotta make sure like 5 times before I do it. I don't wanna forget, mess up.
Yeah,
oh man, this clip was cut nice actually. I'm impressed. Yeah, this thing feels good.
They found him unresponsive in the dream. I'm thinking.
All right, man. So off the jump, these clippers do feel weird in your hand, but hey, them things cut nice. I'm liking the way they feel while they're cutting. They just feel a little bulky in the hand, but we're gonna see what they do, man. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my clipper closed. We're gonna ball out with these clippers, see how they work.
Next Monday is like, or Tuesday or something, is their first little scrimmage.
All right, so y'all seen me bought out with the clipper, man. Y'all seen this thing was eating through the hair. You can hear the crunch when you're cutting with it. We're just gonna blend one side for y'all. I'm gonna record this part for y'all. But as y'all can see, man, this clipper's working good, man. It's giving me like Ergo vibes, you know, so y'all know I was a fan of the Ergo for a good minute, so I think I'm gonna like this clipper, man.
The more it does, the more it stays the same. Crazy, right? Yeah, we're out there baking. I'm hot as fuck. Like, yeah. Middle of the day. Like, this is getting hotter. Like, we should have just played, finished our game. Well, they came back, said, we're going to cancel it, and we played Monday. Monday, he's like sitting on the sides of his shoes, you know? Huh?
Damn it, Tito. Another one.
Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Klipaz MC-1 clipper. Check that out. Let's take one more look at it real quick. As y'all can see, you know, nice black on it. We do have a black, looks like a taper blade, but it's really thin like a fade blade. So it may be like a fusion vapor type blade from them. Once again, click lever on it. As y'all can hear, we got the clicks on there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all one more time. So as y'all can hear, super quiet. Super quiet. We do have a magnetic motor in here, so that's the reason why the clipper is so quiet. But before we actually start talking about the performance of this clipper, I do want to talk about the ergonomics of it. Now, it's a different ergonomic look and feel. You know, I've been really accustomed to using my Low Pro and my Instinct, my Wall Magic clip. So you putting this one in my hand was slightly different. You know, it is a little heavier, it is a little longer, you know what I'm saying? But that doesn't mean that it's bad. Once you find the right, like, hand placement of where you're gonna use this clipper, it feels really good in the hand. At first, it did feel weird. It felt like it was gonna be too long, but it wasn't too much longer than the Babyliss FX or an Ergo. So if you use the Ergo clipper, this is kind of similar to it, just a little more bulkier, a little more blockier. But like I said, guys, once you get that right hand placement, it doesn't feel bad in the hand, and you can get good products from actually using this tool. Now let's go ahead and start talking about the performance a little bit. As y'all seen in the video, your boy did a couple cuts with this. I have been using it for a couple days now, and I will say that it's a pretty solid clipper. You know what I'm saying? Like I really have no complaints about this clipper as far as performance wise. To me, it reminds me a lot of the X Ergo or the Ergos from Gamma and Stylecraft, and the reason why I say that is I believe because of the motor. It's the same type of motor, so it gives that same feel when you're cutting with it. You can hear it crunch when it's cutting, super quiet, so you hear every single hair that's getting cut. And personally, I really like that because a lot of times I use my ears when I'm cutting. Also, I have to hear the hair that's being cut when I'm detailing. So I like that about this clipper. And when it came to debulking, did debulk well. I didn't have a problem with this clipper clogging up not one time. You know, it got the job done. Cut the bulk down, fades really well. Honestly, in my opinion, I really like the way magnetic motors fade. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, it just feels really smooth when magnetic motor clippers are fading. So all in all, guys, I will say it is a good clipper. And like I said earlier, guys, the only thing that kind of was an issue was the length and the size of it, because it wasn't something that I was used to. But that's not like a super bad thing, you know what I'm saying? It still worked good. Now, once again, I'm going to turn this on for y'all. So when this clipper is fully charged, this light is actually blue, but since it's about to die, as y'all can see, it's like a yellow orange color, and that just lets you know that it needs to be charged. As y'all seen in the unboxing portion of this video, it did come with a charging dock, so you can just easily place it on the charging dock between haircuts. So once again, that's a plus about this clipper. Now, I did want to talk about the guards a little bit. I don't know what I did with my one guard. I think I must have dropped it or left it at the shop. But as y'all can see, they are wall style guards. And what I mean by wall style guards is they're really close to how the wall guards look. Not exactly the same, but they're pretty close. So here is the 0 guard right here, or the 1/16 guard, whatever you decide to call your 1.5 millimeter guard. This is a 0 guard, 1/16 guard, half guard, whatever you want to call it. But this is that one, and this is the 1.5. So as y'all can see, the guards are like a glossier plastic, and I'm not sure how I feel about them. Like, they don't feel exactly the same as the wall guards. They don't cut exactly the same. They cut a little longer, in my opinion, but they do fade into each other pretty good. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't have an issue fading with these guards. Honestly, though, my personal preference, these aren't my go-to guards. Like, me personally, I like to use my Babyliss premium guards for the majority of my haircuts. So I did use those guards with this clipper. And whatever guard system you're used to, if you're used to using the wall guards, luckily you can put those guards on this clipper. If you're used to using the Babyliss premium guards, you can also put those guards on this clipper. So that is a good thing about this clipper also. But these guards, I mean, they get the job done. As you can see, we got the double magnetics on the bottom, and they just snap on like that. As you can see, we got the guard on there, and luckily the guard really doesn't cause too much noise. I noticed, as y'all can hear here, the 0 guard did get a little loud when you close it all the way, but that may be due to the way the clipper is gapped. See, the other guards don't do that. But I did not 0 gap this clipper at all. I'm using it straight out of the box. I'm using it the way they sent it to me. You know what I'm saying? The way it came out of the factory, the way I took it out the box, didn't adjust the blade at all. I just oiled it, charged it up, and put it to work. And once again, like I was saying, guys, it is a pretty solid clipper. My only negative thing to say about this clipper is the size of it and the weight of it. It's not traditionally what I would like, But if you can get past that, I think you got a pretty solid clipper here. Now, if you do want to purchase this clipper, you can go to their website. I'll make sure to put the website down here. I'm not exactly sure what the website is. I want to say it's clippersofficial.com. Not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on that. But you can go there and cop this clipper from them there. Or you can go to my fam's website over there at fwbarbersupply.com. You know, FW Barber Supply does have every brand of tools. So, you know what I'm saying? You can always go there also. I go through them a lot. Anytime I need anything in the barbershop, you know what I'm saying? I log on to their website. Real easy website to navigate through. And like I said, they got everything on their website from combs, clippers, sprays, colognes, all that good stuff, man. So just wanted to say that if you did want to purchase this and you can't find that on the Clippers website, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com and purchase this from them. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.